Hey everyone, I have here my Click PLC trainer that I built approximately 8 years ago. Made a video about it on my channel, which has done pretty well. I'm going to make some changes, just completely change it, and as part of that I'm getting some new modules, and well, they're new used modules. So I want to test it and make sure it's okay, so that's what I'm doing in this video. Okay, I brought the camera a little closer so you can see it, but this is a C08 or C0-08CDR. It's a combo input-output module, and we have a power light, so that's a good sign. But I want to verify, that this is in good condition. It was used, it was clearly used in an installation because there were still like wire bits where they'd cut it out. So I got started by, I ran the common, the 0 volt from the 24 volt supply here to the common on here, and then I've got, this is just the 24 volt coming off this fuse here, which I'm going to go ahead and close. I just wanted to make sure I didn't short anything. I'm using the fuse just to make sure that if I put this pin on the wrong place I don't damage anything, but we should see these light up as I'm testing this. So there's, yep, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Okay, in the Click PLC software, I got the configuration updated, so there it is. It sees it, that's a good sign, and now I'm going to monitor, system monitor. There we go. So what I want to see here is that it's recognizing the input in the software. So I'll go ahead and pick 1 again, and I'm not getting anything. Is that because I'm not in run? Ah, that is it. Okay. 2, 3, and 4. So all the inputs look good. Okay, now that I know the inputs are good, I want to test the outputs. So I'm in the data view. I've added all of them in the list here. I'm going to go to Edit, flip all of them on, and right to the PLC. And I just heard a bunch of relays click, so that's a good sign. And sure enough, they are all lit up. And of course, if I go to the system monitor, I can see that here on the screen. And there we can see on the physical PLC, all the outputs are lit up. I heard the relays click. That's a pretty good sign. I think everything is working, but I think just as a further test, maybe try running them with a load on them. So I'm going to grab a couple things and see what I can do with that. Okay, I've got everything set up to test this under load. So what I have here is the Arachnid Labs Reload 2. These are not available anymore. As far as I can tell, Arachnid Labs is no longer in business, but this is a nice little adjustable load. It's good for up to 12 watts, so at 24 volts we can do half an amp. And it's just passively cooled. It's got that great big heat sink. Got it going through the fluke meter here just to dial in the current, and I've got this wired to the first output. These relay outputs are good for 1 amp, so we're testing it at about half its ability. So we'll go ahead and force that on from the software. There it goes. Took it a second to come across, but yeah, this is drawing half an amp now. And all's well. Not seeing any problems. I can feel this getting warm. There's a little potentiometer there. That's how you adjust, for those who are curious. Turn it down, turn it up. This is actually a good test of the power supply too. This is the power supply over here, this old Omron power supply that is providing the power, and it's rated for 600 milliamps, so it's running it pretty close to its capacity. I go ahead and check, see how it's doing. I'll grab another meter. Okay, I got my other fluke meter here. Just see, I'm doing that backwards. Nice. Excellent, 24 volts. So yeah, I think I did quite well. Everything's working just fine. I've got it just on the first output right now, but I've already checked the others before I started recording again, and everything looks good. So I got that for about half the cost brand new, buying it used, and everything works. I'm happy. I'll be getting some more modules, doing some more testing, so I might do another video about that. And yeah, I should say the reason I got this other module, I'm doing this, I am planning to rebuild this trainer. I built this, several years ago, been wanting to improve it. I did another one using a Micrologix, and I'm going to kind of combine the parts from both of those and just try to make one that's better. You can see I'm missing a switch here because it was junk. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you have anything you'd like to share, any thoughts about testing these or any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks. I got to thinking, I wonder just how hot this thing's getting. It's running just fine at the 12 watts, but yeah, let's see. Point that right at the, oh yeah. Right towards the base there, we're over 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Move up higher on the heat sink, it's better, but yeah. It's about 64 degrees in the room, so that's getting nice and toasty, helping warm up the room.